And here's I will show you how to add a drop-down menu in your WordPress website with Elementor. Follow these all steps very carefully. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and now hover over on Appearance and click on Menus. And here click on the Select menu to edit drop-down and select the menu that you want to edit. Or you can create a new menu by clicking here. So here's my menu. Now I will make this menu drop down. So first of all, add items, post, custom link or pages to your menu just like so. Now let's make drop down menu here. So I'm going to add these sweatshirts item under fashion item. So here I'm just clicking and dragging it inside of fashion section. The same way adding polo shirt under fashion, jackets under fashion and jersey under fashion. So this is a drop down menu. Now I'm clicking on save menu. That's how go ahead and add drop down items for your menu. Once the menu saved, now we have to edit the drop down menu in Elementor. To do that, I'm going to my page section. And now let's create a new page, for example. And here in this right hand menu, click on page template and click on this drop down and here select Elementor canvas and just click on edit with Elementor. So all you have to need, edit your website with Elementor. And now for tutorial purpose, I'm going to adding a new menu here. And here select menu, I'm selecting the drop down menu here and here we can see the menu added. And now we will customize this menu with Elementor. So here as you can see already drop down working perfectly. Now go to style tab and here we can see drop down menu and drop down item. So first of all let's click on drop down menu and here animation. You can change drop down animation. I'm selecting here zoom in and let's see the result. As you can see when I hover over on this fashion item, all of my drop down items are visible in zoom in animation. You can change animation just like so. And now if you want to change your background drop down background color, you can click on this background color and go ahead and select a different color just like so. And you can also add some border radius and padding, also add shadow to your drop down. And then let's click on drop down item and here you can change your drop down item alignment. So here I've selected center. Let's select left center and here we can see the result. You can adjust padding for your drop down item just like so. And you can also change the divider color. So here we can see divider border color. If you want to change it, you can do it from here. So now all you have to need after customizing, you can also change these drop down icons. So here we can see the icon. You can select a different icon from icon library. So once your editing finish, click on publish to save changes, and this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching.